Oh my god, that's sick.
I wanted to hit a wheelie. Camden, yeah, wheelie. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Say what's up.
What's up?
Quads are here. We just found some like random sand pit. What's up? I can't find the tripod mount, so we're just holding it.
It went up to here.
The water went up to there?
Look it. Go look at that sand bottle.
You gonna go back through it? Nah, just go through it. I'll hold it. So we went through so much shit to get here. That's Camden on the Polaris 570, and Ben is up front with the King Quad, 7 something. I'm not a quad guy. My bike is back there. Can't do crap. So yeah, look at them. This is insane. We're probably gonna ride the quarry tomorrow morning. We're camping out, gonna have a big fire, and then tomorrow morning, oh crap, my bike will actually be able to do some stuff, and we'll go to some sick quarries, sick views. That'll be a dope video. I'll probably throw this in, but all right, here they are. Go. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh, that was not a good idea. I only got a little roost on me though. That looked way worse than anything on the camera. All right, we're good. This stuff is insane, man. Oh yeah. Nice, I got roosted. It's crazy. Fucking ass. Yo, go that. You guys want to? Let's go up here. No. Oh, you got destroyed. Oh, I gotta get out of this fight. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh, that was insane. That would have sucked if that tipped.
No, I would have sucked. I would have ran through it. No, he said it would have sucked.
If it tipped.
Oh, yeah. I think it's not sucked. So,
Stop the boots.
How's my back?
You're back? Oh, Big Ben's back. It's kind of muddy.
You want to get it muddy? Yeah. All right. Go over there.
All right. That's the end for now. I'll probably throw this in with the video of the quarry riding. But, yeah. You'll see my bike doing some bits tomorrow. Yeah, peace. Okay, I'm recording. Dude, go to the steep part. Come on. Don't be a wuss.
You do it.
I have to get my bike. Just go down. Nah, go down the steep part. Oh, they're like little ants. Sick. All right. Holy shit! Wrong way. Tree fell the wrong way. Yo, this looks so sick on the camera.